Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ONTX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red line up there is coming from. And as of right now, things are they're hanging in there. But as I stumble over my words, but there's definitely some flaws here in the chart. And the biggest flaw comes over the past few days is when you look at where the highs have been, and these highs just keep getting lower and lower. In fact, even when you include from where they were yesterday, right there, price made a good effort right there, but once again put in a lower high before starting to push its way back downwards. Now, does this all mean that, you know, the party's over and this thing's headed back to 20 cents? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that the chart is not looking nearly as good as when, you know, the price was, you know, doing this, where it's just higher high, higher high, higher low, and just, you know, building the great uptrend. Things have now shifted around where instead of putting in higher highs like it's been doing, you know, it's putting in these lower highs. So again, does that mean that the big picture chart is destroyed? No, but the chart is definitely starting to show some signs of, you know, some weakness here. And the reason why you can't say that the entire chart is epically destroyed has everything to do with that pink line down there, which is the very famous 200 period moving average. Even if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that, you know, from the big picture context of things, as long as the price is above that line, then, you know, you got to give the bulls the benefit of the doubt. Now, this is all perspective. I mean, if you're a day trader or scalper and you bought right there and you wanted to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well, then, yeah, you really don't care about the 200 period moving average. So my comments are being geared towards somebody from a bigger picture point of view. But that is why you can't say that everything is destroyed, because the price is still above that level. But, you know, the best thing that could happen, you know, the healthiest thing is not necessarily going back up to 75 cents, but can the price at least get back up to this area of resistance, red line at 63, and get above there? Because at least at that point, that would break this current trend right now of just these lower highs that are being put into play. So we'll see what happens with it. Still a couple days left this week, but we'll see if the bulls can try to get things turned around. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.